Want to unlock your students' storytelling superpowers? Today, I'll show you one of my favorite classroom games, Pass the Pulse. It instantly gets students talking, thinking creatively, and working together. Plus, it's super low prep, perfect for those lessons when you need something engaging and effective and fast. Okay, so why storytelling often fails and how can we fix it? Because let's be real, storytelling activities can fall flat. You ask your students to make up a story and suddenly silence. Maybe a few confident students jump in, but most sit quietly, unsure of what to say. That's where Pass the Pulse comes in, and it keeps everyone involved, one sentence at a time. And of course, it builds confidence with every turn. This game removes the fear of long answers and focuses on what really matters, which is spontaneous communication. So here's how to play. Ask students to sit or stand in a circle. Start a story with one sentence. For example, it was a dark night. Gently tap or point to the next person, and that's the pulse. They add one new sentence to continue the story. Keep the rhythm moving around the circle, fast, fun, and spontaneous. The beauty of the pulse is that it keeps everyone alert. No one can switch off because they know that their turn is coming. For beginners, short phrases are fine. Even "and the monster," that's already works. For advanced learners, you can add conditions. Like for example, we must include one phrasal verb or an idiom or a specific grammar target that you think is suitable for the lesson. Want to raise the energy? Try reversing the direction halfway through the story. That always gets a laugh. So why does this activity work so well? Pass the Pulse is powerful because it combines everything that makes language learning stick. It's got fluency. Students think fast and speak without fear. Vocabulary, they naturally borrow and reuse each other's words. Grammar, it's practiced in context and in isolation. Confidence, every student contributes equally. And because the story belongs to everyone, it creates genuine connection and laughter, which is the best ingredient for learning. I've used this game with teens, adults, and even in corporate classes, and it just works every single time. So, once your students get comfortable, try these wee twists. Give each student a character card, like a sleepy superhero or a clumsy detective. Add plot twist cards halfway through. For example, someone disappears, or a secret is revealed, or pick a genre. For example, you could choose mystery, horror, sci-fi, and challenge them to use related vocabulary. And there you have it. Pass the Pulse. Zero prep, endless creativity, and complete engagement. Try it in your next class and let me know how your students' stories turn out in the comments below. And guys, if you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and activate the bell, because in the next video, I'm going to show you another ESL activity that is just as interactive and effective. And remember, the best classrooms don't just teach language, they pass the pulse. Inspire. The power, twist. This is painful.